Yes. What's up, guys? Yeah, welcome to my tutorial here. So today I have another tutorial, and I try to make a Migos FT Young Boy beat a song called "I Need It." So thank you for being connected with me. So if you're new here, also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. My name is Joe Foxa TZ. So let's go. Yeah, so I'm going to show you the first instrument I play, and in this beat I just play just 8 patterns. So let's go. The pattern number one, it is a bass. This is played throughout of the song. So hear how it sounds. Yeah, simple like this one. That is how my bass sound. After that, let's jump to this one. It is jazz guitar, and this melody also. Yeah, and in this one I just add a delay a little bit and a reverb. So on cubase I just remain as is. So after that I play this one from Nexus grand piano octave. So I just play simple and it sounds like this one. And in these two notes above, I just to add the volume to get the taste of what I heard in the song. Yeah, yeah. So I just hear the sound. So after that, I just play another bass. It's like a sub bass, and I use my one shot to play it. And it played simple. I add equalizer here to cut some highs in this. So here, simple like this one. After that, I just add also my drums. I can say let's finish with this one. Mm, yeah. So simply on this, I just gonna add another song. Let's jump to my drum pattern. So drum. Let's start with kick. My kick, I just play simple like this one. Simple like this one. That is my kick rhythm. Also add my grab. Yeah, on in this bit in this song I just hear grab played that simple like that one. So after that, let's go to hi hat. I just go crazy a little bit. Let's go a little bit crazy on this one. So as you see, after that, let's jump to okay, this my things are over. So I prefer to start to hear my drum without melodies. So here it is my drum groove. Yeah, just simple like this one, you see. So I just like how it sounds. So let's add bass on that drum. Yeah, so for it I like. So let's see, prepare to hear what I made. So guys, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, this is how, also comment. This is how you can we can share our different thoughts between me and you. So if you have a question, suggestion, opinion, just uh, ask it, comment there, and I will go through. So and here, just listen a little bit for what I'm doing. So I think you will enjoy. So for the need of FLP or instruments for making cover or do it some lyrics, so my contact will be in this video description. So let's see how I made. Yeah, so for the full instrument will be available also in my channel. So thank you for watching. My name is Joe Foxa TZ. Ciao.